our industry. And what I would like to tell the government, it is good to seek advice from us. They can do consultation even if they are the government, because some of the things that they are doing cannot be invented in Kenya. They cannot work.
Trust is everything in real estate. Real estate companies have to put themselves in a way that they are trustable or trustworthy to their buyers. A risk and the presence of people who are not properly registered or properly or genuine in real estate. And that is why we have formed the Association of Real Estate Stakeholders to be able to do many Kenyans who would otherwise have bought a plot.
Ripoti iyo igagetuhe mweke twiko tugikiria orohani ni ngai kuririkania githii na mbere na kwaraniria nani kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyanĩria Facebook ndaikurani @muthingi.tv wakiyuka kinyiria akaunti yakwa @murugijob tuikorwo tukiaraniria njitikiria ngikorwo ngicenjia orohani ni ndugathiire mitambo ni amu ndagicokeria na mangi maingi guku metha-ini ya Muthingi.tv ari Gikunjuro kia Mohoro.
Hi, naitwa Shko. Mimi ni hairstylist and this is my salon. Kitambo haiko hivi. Nilikuwa nashukana pale kwa soko, nafanya house calls, siko na place ya kufanya job yangu fiti. Lakini tangu nishinde tatu business makeover, biashara yangu imepanuka. Walinijenga blow dryer, hair dryer, combs na pia wakanijenga do, nikafungua hii salon yangu. Pia wewe cheza tatu na ujeze tatu business makeover.
Hapa ni kujaza na tatua. Nenda kwa M-Pesa, chagua paybill number 150 chagua namba zako 3 za bahati kati ya 0 na 9 ukifuatanisha na neno Muthingi TV. Cheza na kati ya shilingi 10 hadi shilingi 1000 na ujaze mfuko na chapa kila nusu saa.
Over 18s only. Gaming can be addictive. Play responsibly. This message has been approved.
Nako kaguru karime gatihana kari muhu nake mumagari niyo nagira
ndutaga wira wa kwendia hema migeka na ngonia kino wira wa ndiraga na guko niyo
ni tutamburaga kio gitu na thabari itu miethere-ini
akai kunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV
nikio nitugicemanagia o kiumia tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'ĩri tũrĩ na mwĩhang'ĩri witũ agĩtũtirithia thabarĩ yake kinya hau akinyĩte.
Yandĩkwo nĩ mũthuri wĩho andĩkĩtwo gĩbanda kĩ harĩa rũgongo
nĩ o gũkũ ceceni-inĩ ya Muthingi TV na niĩ Mwangi wa Mũrugi. Gĩkĩo kĩnginyagia kaunti-inĩ ya Meru na nĩ atĩ abitha mũnene thirikari-inĩ ya kaunti ĩno ya Meru nĩo Martin Mũtuĩri Gĩthĩnji hamwe na anene angĩ thirikari-inĩ ya kaunti ĩno nĩ maheanĩte mũkana wa nginyagia mũthĩ wa Jumamothi yũkĩte kũrĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa tabarĩra ya waki wa nyũmba mwena ũyũ manyitanĩire na thirikari nene mahote gũkorwo makĩiga bodi ya kana nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ andũ nĩ makorwo makĩona mũbango kana mĩbango ya tabarĩra
Mimi naitwa Martin Mutwiri Geteje, ndio Chief Officer wa Lands hapa Meru County. Leo tumekuja kwa hii site yetu ya National Housing Corporation because wananchi walikuwa wameraise questions, wakaanza kuteta, wanauliza ni nini inaendelea hapa na hawajui. So tumekuja hapa kudhibitisha kwamba huu mradi unaendelea hapa ni mradi wa national government under the affordable housing ile ya president.
Nasema asante sana kwa gavana wetu Kawaira Mwangaza juu anafanya kazi ya wananchi sana kuingia kindandani kuona kama mali ya wananchi kama inaenda anarudisha.
Mimi as an observer niliona ubao, hakuna ubao ya site ile imewekwa bila kulingana na building law, sheria za ujenzi. Hakuna engineer ametajwa ndiye anajenga, hakuna
anybody thinking they can lay their foot on the National Housing Corporation land, they are dreaming. Utashikwa kama jana. Utakamatwa kama jana. Because that information is in the public domain. It is very well documented. Hii ni shamba ya National Housing Corporation. Na tunaanza mjengo hapo wa affordable housing.
wa Salasia kana wa mumia cia irathiro ni Peter Salasia ni muthenya wa ira ni arekorirwo akineana ceceni ya borithi ya Kakamega na ni thutha wa maabitha au gacero gũkorwo mambĩkĩte mĩhang'o ya gwethana nake thutha wake gũkorwo akĩrekereria mĩario ya mũkana kũrĩ mũcirithania wa igoti rĩa Kakamega
kwa media na ati police aliniaccuse, so that was a false statement because in whatever venye alikuwa naenda kuangalia hiyo maneno haiko pale. And I want to tell Kinadasta na Omari that you should stop prosecuting people on social media. Take your time, do your own investigation. Alafu ndio uende uanze kupayuka kwa media as if Peter Salasia ameua mtu. That's no Omari, you must apologize to the public. Nimeenda huko nimerecord statement yangu na mimi sasa nimeachia kodi waende wafanye DCI wafanye investigation yao, but from where I sit, I Peter Salasia never threatened anyone. I Peter Salasia never confronted anyone. I Peter Salasia people are just trying to fuel some things, small things that could not just been. And this case even yenye wanasema hii imekuwa tu akiniprosecute kwa social media. Imekuwa pale nimeandikisha statement, mambo yangu sasa nimeachia DCI, lakini from where I sit, mimi there's no any threat that I committed. Mimi nimeenda peke yangu Peter Salasia because I know I'm an innocent. They call it the cybercrime thing. I gave them my phone, nimewapatia simu yangu ya iPhone. Nimesamea kila mtu, nimesamea media, nimesamea mwenye alireport, nimesamea police mwenye aliandika hiyo OB ilikuwa inaenda signal ilikuwa inaenda all round, nimesamea kila mtu.
Tokereria ntuthina mbere ni ati abunge aya maikorirwo magĩtungata gatagatĩ ka mwaka wa 1984 ya mũtongoria wa Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta ndĩkorirwo ĩgĩkĩra kĩrore ndereti ĩno magĩtia marĩ igongona-inĩ rĩa mathiko rĩrĩa warĩ mũmbunge wa Bumula nĩwe Lawrence Sifuna wakiuga atĩ nĩ marehe gĩthĩgito rĩa mũtongoria.
Mheshimiwa Sifuna 1997 nikichaguliwa mara ya kwanza tulikuwa na yeye, na wakati huo Bungoma South, hii constituency yetu ilikuwa inaitwa Bungoma South. When it was split, Kandui ikawa created na Bumula, so he opted to run in Bumula na akawacha Kandui, ndio mimi nikapata fursa kuwa mjumbe wa Kandui. Na kutoka mambo ya siasa katika Kenya. Hiyo vile mnanijua mimi pia kuwa mtu asiye na uoga, nilitoa kwa Lawrence. Lawrence alitufunza sisi kuwa wajasiri.
Lakini amekufa akiwa serikali hii au society yetu ya Kenya does not recognize ile role aliplay au role MPs walikuwa wanafanya. Walikuwa pamoja na president wako in what they call the August House. Lakini amekufa akiwa kwa pension ya shilingi 20,000 kwa mwezi. Season iliyopita, the term that lapsed where Mheshimiwa wa Mnyinyi was, walikuwa hata wamepitisha wale ambao walikuwa
kukuja basi hako huru kukuja kwa matanga haya. Sasa sisi tunaomba tu watu wote tukue na amani. Tusindikize ndugu yetu kwa njia ambayo haina maneno.
Kagenyagi haraini na kutugekie kabiro ria ciana ciatumira githii na mbere na kwigarikana ni ati timu ya Nyarari guko bururi-ini ni Harambee Starlets umuthi ni magitanyitwo kung'ethana na timu kuma bururi wa Botswana ikereka-ini ria keri ria mbitika cia kwigatira tigiti wa gukaingira mbitika-ini cia AFCON ni thutha wa ikereka ria mbere guko bururi-ini na kuria timu ino makiumire kabati
now that pass is
Minista wa mathako gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩwe Ababu na Mwamba nĩ akĩrugũrĩtie mbĩtĩka cia Nyarari kana nĩ arugũrĩtie mbĩtĩka cia Nyarari mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia gũkaingĩra tigiti kana gwĩgatĩra tigiti gũkaingĩra gĩkombe-inĩ kĩa kĩmabũrũri mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia cricket na iria citanyĩtwo kanyita itemi bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda. Nĩ timu ya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ makorwo makĩgwatĩra tigiti wa gĩkombe kĩa kĩmabũrũri wona mahotana mbĩtĩka-inĩ ici cia Uganda iria cikambĩrĩria tarĩki 9 nginyagia tarĩki 19 mweri ũyũ tũrĩ wa Gatumu.
Kenya! Kenya! Ni yetu! Ni yetu!
In 2011. Long time, isn't it? Yes. Long time to wait to get back to that top world stage. And our cricket has not been in the best of places, in the best of shape. In fact, the intervening period between the rain really started beating us when? 2015. Yes. Yeah. From around 2015, things really went downwards. I was here at these grounds last as Minister for Sports in 2012. Yes, I came to visit our team here. And that was really the last time when our cricket was somewhere. There's no other place to go.
Hata lazima kuna mjaka hapa ameniambukiza.
Well, and all is well.
Yes.
Sawa sawa? Yes. Mubarikiwe sana.
Fatio igagitwikira gaturumo ka maria twaiko tugikumathira na tugucokanĩrĩria gũkwarĩ methenya mũthingi TV Gikunjuro kĩa Mohoro ngatho cia mwanya mũno kũrĩa magikinyanĩire mũtambũrũko ũyũ ũndũ gũtũtikarĩkio andũ ati makinyitanĩra na andĩki aitũ a mohoro othe oro ũndũ ũmwe na mwerekeri wakwa mũndũ gũtũtitabitha mũndũ gũtũkiben Mohoro wakwa wabica ni akiuma thutha wa kĩndũ gĩtwo graphics ndwaikorwo gĩkĩora mĩtambo nĩ amwe nĩtũgĩcemania na ciahanda